Welcome to this Moonridge beauty at 43035 Encino in Big Bear Lake. This home is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2737 square feet. It has solar. It is on the grid, and it has a whole house generator. Down this way is the kitchen. New quartzite countertops, stainless steel appliances. Even has a trash compactor, dishwasher, and wine fridge. We have a formal dining room that's open to the living room. This home is a vacation rental. It is coming completely furnished. It has a river rock fireplace with a gas starter and vaulted T&G ceilings. These cute little railings with pine trees cut out. Even has a little spot for your dog. Down the hall has its own laundry room, separate. Guest bathroom. Nice soaker tub. This is the master bedroom. It's on the main level. Master bathroom has his and her sinks. Updated shower with lighting. His and her shower heads. And then there's the formal entry again. Let's go upstairs. Outside is a jacuzzi, an outside bar, and patio area with a fire pit. Up here we have the loft game room. This is the forced air room. We're not going to show it in the video right now. Here's bedroom number 2. Here's bathroom 3. Also has a soaker tub. Nice little electric fireplace and updated shower. Toilet is in the... Down this way is the 3rd bedroom. fourth bedroom. If you're interested in this home, again, it's 43035 Encino. Please contact me, Becky Wheeler, at Remax Big Bear, 909-800-8909.